A demonstration approach. Now, the demonstration approach technically requires you to demonstrate certain information. So you're going to have to show them the FSC or the website or just any information that most likely is within the computer. Now, never be afraid of demonstrating certain information simply because it's going to add a little bit of credibility to your option. So I'll give you an example. Every time I'm emphasizing on the fact that zip codes are one of the most important factors, and the fact that a lot of agencies offer a Mickey Mouse option where they're manipulating the information, I actually open up the FSC, I make the changes and have the customer witness the whole process. So I'll set it up, for instance, as an example, I'll set it up on 90016 for Los Angeles zip code. I'll show them the price, which most likely is going to be like 150, and then I'll make the changes with a different zip code. I usually use a Bakersfield zip code of 93313, and then I'll go back to the rating options, and then I'll show them that the options are no longer the 150. Then, matter of fact, they're actually $60, $70 a month. By demonstrating the whole process, I'm able to convince them that other agencies have the power of manipulating the information. Now, sometimes a verbal introduction or just a verbal explanation may not be enough. You have to demonstrate. So that's one example. Another example could simply be showing them that the FSC shows 120, but when you bridge over to infinity based on the tickets, it actually goes from 120 to $200. Or sometimes we could show them the actual accident and the losses that the company paid. Some companies like Alliance will give you the exact total that the company paid for that accident. So if it shows $3,000, don't just tell them, look, your insurance company paid $3,000. Show them the system, demonstrate them by allowing them to witness the information that you're actually reviewing yourself. That demonstration process is going to make a bigger difference simply because now they're actually looking at the information themselves. So not only are you giving them a verbal introduction or a verbal presentation, but you're demonstrating that information by giving them a chance of actually viewing the information. Another example of demonstration is simply calculations. When you're calculating or comparing two different options, but you're doing math, calculate it in front of them. Open up a calculator. There's always one on the desktop, and just do the math for them. Don't just give them the options and do the math, or give them the actual total after doing the math. Have them go through the actual process of subtracting or adding or multiplying, whatever options you're calculating. Do it in front of them so they could actually witness the difference between each option by witnessing the process of the math. So demonstration is very important. Now, demonstration is going to give you another value. Is going to add value to your presentation because now they're actually doing the math or they're looking at the options themselves. So never be afraid of demonstration. It's actually a very good, positive tool that you could use. Just do it, use it, and emphasize on the value of the options that you're offering.